Chapa Pulusu is the famous food of which state? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. Andhra Pradesh is the answer. Pulihora is the famous food of where? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Odisha. Andhra Pradesh is the answer. Kolatha Dali is a famous food of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar. Odisha is the answer. Which of the following sweets is related to Bengal? Gaja, Sondesh, Modak, Anarsa. Sondesh is the answer. Which is a type of sweet Bihari dish made from rice flour, sesame seeds and sugar? Anarsa, Balushahi, Basundi, Gajak. Anarsa is the answer.